Which fat tire electric bike is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Jasian Thunder Pro SD electric bike. First up is the Jasian Thunder Pro SD electric bike. This beast caught my eye with its impressive 1800 W peak power and a price tag of $869.99. If you want a powerful long-range bike that can tackle various terrains effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. It's got a high-capacity 48V18Ah battery that offers a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, perfect for those long rides or daily commutes. Plus, the 26X4 fat tires give you superior traction on sand, snow, or city streets, and with a load capacity of 400 pounds, you can carry all your essentials without worrying about stability. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's around 66 pounds, which can be cumbersome for some. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a heavy-duty electric bike, this weight is a trade-off for that stability and durability. This is perfect for you if you're an adventure seeker who needs a reliable bike for various terrains. Skip this one if you want something lightweight for easy handling. Overall, it's a solid value for the money. Now, if that weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sonero 20X for fat tire bike inner tubes. Next, we have the Sonero 20X for fat tire bike inner tubes. Priced at just $18.70, this 2-pack caught my attention for a different reason. If you're looking for durable inner tubes specifically designed for fat tire bikes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Made of premium butyl rubber, they outlast regular tubes, which means fewer repairs and more time riding. With over 1,800 reviews and a solid rating of 4.5 stars, many users appreciate the durability and ease of installation. Now, some folks mentioned that they had issues with finding the right size. Here's the thing though, double-checking your existing tube size solves that problem, and for the price, having a backup is always smart. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your fat tire bike running smoothly without frequent repairs. Skip this one if your bike uses a different tire size. It's a budget-friendly option that can save you a headache in the long run. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who want a powerful performance. Product number 3, GWEIT electric bike for adults. The GWEIT electric bike stands out with a 2500 W peak motor and a price tag of $599.99. This bike promises thrilling speeds and long-range rides. If you want an exhilarating off-road experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this bike solves your problem. The 48V20Ah removable battery offers up to 65 miles per charge, making it ideal for longer adventures. Additionally, it features dual suspension for a smooth ride and dual disc brakes that stop you in about 2 seconds, providing that extra safety you might be looking for on trails. However, some users found the assembly a bit challenging. Here's the thing though, it comes 90% pre-assembled, and with a clear video guide, you should be able to set it up without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you love speed and adventure on rough terrain. Skip this one if you prefer a more leisurely commute on flat roads. For the price and performance, this bike really delivers value. Now, if you're after something similar but a little less powerful, this next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, TSD electric bike for adults. Next up is the TSD electric bike, another solid choice priced at $599.99. This bike comes with a 1500 W peak motor and offers a comfortable ride. If you're after a mix of performance and comfort, this is worth a serious look. Why should this matter to you? The 48V15Ah removable battery allows up to 60 miles of range, so you can ride far without worrying about recharging frequently. Plus, it has full suspension to absorb bumps, making your ride more enjoyable. Now, some users had issues with the weight, which is around 66 pounds. Here's the thing, while it may feel heavy, that weight contributes to the stability and comfort you get on rough terrains. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bike for both city and off-road adventures. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for easy transportation. Given its features, it's priced quite competitively. Finally, if you're looking for alternatives within the same range here, another contender that might surprise you. Product number 5, TSD electric bike for adults alternate model. Last but not least, we have another TSD electric bike priced similarly at $609.99. This variant features similar specs but comes with a different drivetrain. If you want a dependable full suspension bike, this is worth a serious look. This bike also has the 1500W peak motor, ensuring you can handle various terrains with ease. The removable 48V15Ah battery allows for a range up to 60 miles, just like its sibling. It also features a full suspension system for comfort and safety, making it a great choice for those who ride frequently. However, some reviews pointed out that the assembly can take some time. Here's the thing. While it may require a bit of effort to set up, it's designed for durability and comfort, which makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable bike that prioritizes comfort over weight. Skip this one if you're not willing to put in the time for assembly. It's a solid investment for regular riders. To wrap up, we've covered some fantastic fat tire electric bikes today. From the powerful Jasian Thunder to the sporty GWEIT and the reliable TSD options, there's something for everyone here. Remember to consider your specific needs before making a choice. Happy riding!